Okay, let's go, everybody. 6:42 on this Thursday evening, getting closer to the weekend, and a little bit of snow over the weekend. Not a whole lot, but enough to cause slippery travel, I do believe, already by Saturday morning. I'm thinking around 6 a.m., 7 a.m., a pattern of light snow does begin, and it'll carry into the afternoon, picking up what I'm thinking will be an inch, inch and a half, 2 inches, something like that. I mean, it's not going to be a huge snowstorm, but it will cause some problems for motorists moving around there on the first half of the weekend. This is future snowfall going out through Monday. I've been mentioning about a few different disturbances that are going to be passing through the Midwest over the next several days. One to be the first of which on Saturday, as I mentioned, about 6, 7 a.m. coming in. That'll exit by mid to late afternoon. And then a second one right behind that Sunday morning into the afternoon. That likely will clip areas south of I-96. That to be the weakest of the trio of the three, and maybe throwing down a dusting or coating for us on Sunday. That combined with a little lake effect activity at the same time. But it's the third system on Monday that is going to produce these deeper blue colors. Again, not a major winter storm, but with the cold air in place, we will probably pick up, I would think, about a 2 to 4 inch type of a snow, assuming that the models hold sway in the days ahead. So a couple, 2, 3, 4 inches in and around the Grand Rapids area. Could end up being a little bit more along the lakeshore with some lake enhancement. Stay tuned as we go through this next 7 days, because there will be an opportunity to pick up some snow and pick up cold temperatures. I don't think anybody really likes cold temperatures, do you? You might like the snow, but can you really like that cold of air? We've got a day next week, what is it, Tuesday night, I think, where we can get down to like -5, -8 degrees if we clear the clouds out, looking bone chilling. In fact, this European model has us down to -20 next Tuesday night. That's not going to happen, folks, but you get the idea. Yeah, it's mid to late January now, and we can get cold around here. We are right now upper teens on the board. And just a slow meander downward in the hours ahead as we retain the clouds. Overnight tonight, though, breaking the clouds up. Temps will dip faster at that time. Winds out of the north or northwest, only about 5 to 7 or 8 miles per hour. But any sort of a breeze that you encounter stepping outside puts wind chills down into the upper single digits. It's cold. Certainly is. And we've had the lake effect snow showers, Van Buren County, western Van Buren down into Berrien. I did see some amounts from the National Weather Service. Northern Indiana office, National Weather Service, of about 4 to 5, 6 inches in Berrien County. I would suspect a few inches at least there in westernmost Van Buren, and some light accumulations. I didn't see any totals from the NWS here in Grand Rapids for Allegan or Ottawa County, but some light accumulations, at least that I would think, from the past 24 to 30 hours. Future track model, this is the graph model, in fact, has breaks in the clouds already. It's determining, that we've already got the dry air coming in. That's not the case. These low-level clouds are tough to break up, these lake clouds. The models don't read that very well, but eventually overnight tonight, as winds go from the north right now to the east and eventually south, that'll be a more favorable direction for breaking up clouds. Perhaps a few clouds around tomorrow morning. I think this is overdoing it on the model. Looking at the relative humidity charts, I would suspect a lot of hours of blue skies, particularly late morning and afternoon and away from the lakeshore, including Grand Rapids and Kalamazoo on Friday. It is going to be quite sunny, but quite cold. Lower 20s is all we get to. Then this next system comes in on Saturday, 6, 7 a.m. going out into the afternoon. Again, you can see it's not real wide in scope. This isn't going to be a major snowstorm with any surprises, but an inch, maybe 2. See how it goes. Here's that 7-day forecast. Doug and Janice, it's the system on Monday. I am going to break that down further tonight at 10 and 11, but a few inches on the table on Monday, going cold behind it. There's that low, by the way. Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, -4 we've got right now on the board. Guys, it's going to be cold.